Hello, my name is Alicia Hike, and I am a kindergarten teacher in Augusta, Kansas. Augusta is a small town outside of Wichita. It is about 20 or 30 minutes outside of Wichita. I've been teaching for 4 years, and I absolutely love it. My extra duties include I am a board officer on our PTO. I'm also on the district leadership team. I'm on some other committees too, like ELA committee, professional development committee, stuff like that. My biggest influence has been my mother. She's always been a great role model for me to look up to. She has worked 2 or 3 jobs when she needs to, just to make sure my siblings and I have everything we need. She's been an awesome role model for me to look up to, and now she's a great friend for me to have. On the personality test, my highest score was conscientiousness, which means I'm careful and organized, which is very true. I see that a lot in my classroom with my students. I'm very big on routines and procedures, and my students know that. My students follow routines and procedures very well. My next highest factor was emotional stability, meaning that it takes a lot for me to feel negative emotions and that I am pretty stable with my mood. I would also agree with that. I think that's very true. It takes a lot for me to get frustrated or irritated, even with my husband or my 1-year-old or my kindergartners, whatever it is. I'm pretty level-headed, which benefits me in my job. There's some benefits and drawbacks to both of those, I would say. The leadership theories I identified with are the democratic leadership style. This is about collaborating with others and getting input before making a decision. I think that fits me pretty well. I think it's important to, especially I've only been teaching for 4 years before, if I need to make a decision on a committee or whatever it is I'm on, I think it only makes sense to consult the experts who have been doing this much longer than I have, or if they're in a different field or whatever it is. My second leadership theory was servant leadership theory. This one really spoke to me. It's all about putting the care and needs of others first, which to me is exactly what teaching is. At least in my mind, that's exactly what my job is putting the needs of my students ahead of my own to make sure they get exactly what they need. This also relates to my personality quiz results, which is conscientiousness. I'm looking forward to getting to knowing all of you. Thank you.